Hey guys, today we're on another video. Today we're playing Housing. Housing is cool and yeah, it's cool, okay? It's awesome. It's a cool game to be honest. Loverfella plays it as well. His Loverfella is very popular. It's very cool, very cool. Very popular, unlike me. Hey, where are my logs? What? My logs. The logs. Where are they? Oak door. Where are my logs? God, my logs are just gone now. That really sucks, actually. I'm gonna have to use normal glass because that's what the game gave me. I'm using what the game gave me, okay? Oh, I have an unlimited supply. This is epic. This is an epic game. I'm using that because, I'm epic. Alright, let's just do that. It looks really good, actually. I actually should have done that. That looks way better, man. Alright, now for the ground. For some reason, I can fly in survival mode. It's like if you're like in a no admin game and you can literally fly. That's only for admins. And like I'm in like a no admin giver game. Like it doesn't give you admin or anything. Bop 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 bop. No. Bop 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 bop. Alright. Bop 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 babadoop bop 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 bop. Man, this is pretty good. Oh yeah, this is really good actually. Yep. This is going with a great start actually. Hey lover fella, if you're ever watching this video, please give your comments about my build. Cause to me it looks really good. And Loverfella, I'm a big fan actually. I'm actually a pretty big fan of Loverfella. to be honest. He is a cool guy. He's epic. He's really nice too. I recommend you watch his channel. He's really cool, actually. So yeah, go check out his channel, and he will appreciate you. Alright. What? Okay. Alright, this is looking pretty good. I hope Loverfellow's impressed. Oh, and Green. But this looks a little generic. Though I hope you guys like it because Green and Loverfellow and all you guys that are watching the video, which I think no one watches my videos. So what even is the point? What's the point of me just making these Muda videos? Oh god. I love that I have an infinite supply of these blocks. Very, I'm appreciating it. I appreciate it. Housing game in Hypixel. You can go search up the Hypixel IP. And then yeah, boom, you got Hypixel. You can name it whatever you want actually. But I just name it Hypixel because it's actually called Hypixel. And don't call it like bad game or like stupid server or stuff like that. People put a lot of work into their servers, so I mean, unlike me. People put a lot of work into the servers, so don't call them trash, or I will literally come to your house and make you a hacker and you will get banned. I'm just kidding. I don't know how hacking works. I am an idiot. Okay, this looks pretty good. Almost forgot about the door. Yeah, this is looking pretty good to me. It's pretty neat, pretty neat, pretty neat. Not gonna lie. Pep. And then here you go. You got the inside and the interior. Might actually remove that. Alright, this is looking pretty good. And then you can sit, and it looks like you're sitting in the chair. God. This looks pretty good to me. This looks pretty good to me. This looks pretty good to me. It looks good to me. Wait a second. I got signs earlier, right? I got signs earlier, right? Wait a second. There you go. Items. Blocks, okay. Alright, there you go, there you go, there you go. Okay. I don't use wood. It's called an oak log, but okay. Let's see. Next page. Where are the signs? I need signs. I need signs. Oh, okay, here it is. I only got a few. What's wrong with this game? I'm not gonna need that. Alright, so what I thought of is amazing. Where are the doors? Okay. Bap, bap. There you go. This is amazing. God, I love this. Now let's see. Alright. Alright, now let's see other blocks. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. No, no. I'm not having that. Alright, let's see. Alright, first, let's get some glass panes. Alright, I got some glass panes. Alright, we got some glass panes. Now we have a sea lantern. Get out of here. Stupid useless block. Alright, I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that! Okay, whatever. And then... How big is my inventory? Alright, now let's make... Wait a second. Bye, guys. I know.